Now exercise 7.1 has completed. Now I will start cube root. What is cube root? Cube root. Yes. The symbol of ये करेंगे यहाँ पे ऐसे करके ये लगा देंगे यहाँ ऊपर 3 लगा देंगे, है ना। दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ क्यूब रूट ओके। एंड दिस सिंबल किसका है?
स्क्वायर रूट।
अगर यहाँ पे इसके 3 लगा दे, यहाँ पे 3, तो क्यूब रूट क्या होता है? क्यूब रूट बन जाएगा।
Cube root.
It becomes cube root. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For examples, यहाँ पे मैंने 8 किया और ऊपर लगा दिया यहाँ पे 3, तो क्यूब रूट ऑफ 8 क्या होता है? क्यूब रूट ऑफ 8
2.
यस, यहाँ पे 3 प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 8 2 into okay, yes 3. How many 2? 1 2 3. Any doubt, any problems? Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir, no problem.
ये 3 यहाँ पे, ये 3 यहाँ, ओके। अब यहाँ पे इसका मतलब है, अब ये क्यूब रूट का सिंबल हटा, जो ही मैं इसको रिमूव करूंगा यहाँ से, इसका मीनिंग होता है 1/3। ओके, ये जो आपके पास ऐसे होता है, इसका मतलब होता है इसकी पावर 1/3। ओके
ओके सर। ओके सर।
व्हाट आउट द प्रॉब्लम?
नो सर, नो सर।
यस, three ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, it becomes 2. Okay. Any doubt, any problem?
No sir.
Cube root of 64. 64, that is cube root. Okay. Now, prime factorization of 64. Please make a prime factorization of 64. Divided by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Yes. Now.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
3. How many 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6.
3.
In square root we will make grouping of doublets, but in cube root we will make grouping of triplets. यहाँ पे 3 है ना, तो यहाँ पे triplets. Okay. Now इसी triplet make single, that is 2 and it becomes 2. 2 2s are 4. Any doubt, any problem?
No sir.
What is the difference between square root and cube root?
Sir, in the square root we will be 1/2
by one? One by
Sir,
one.
may
Yes. खुशी कुमारी. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me.
Sir, square root we make root of two numbers, whereas in cube root we make root of three numbers.
Three number of like factor and different factors.
Of like factors.
Okay. What is the meaning of like factors?
So like factor means they are the same number.
Okay, same number. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5.
Yes, sir.
5, 5. Okay, yes. Yes, do it fast. Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now third part. Question number first, third part.
Done.
Question number first, third part. Okay. 10,648. 10,648. Yes. Make prime factorization of 10,648. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Now prime factorization of 10,648. 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Yes. It becomes 5 3 2 4. 5 3 2 4. Okay. Now another make prime factorization. 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. Now it is divided by 11. 11 1s are 11. Okay. 11 2s are 20. 2 11 1s are 11.
Sir, आपकी आवाज बहुत कम आ रही है.
Am I audible to you? Okay. Now cube root of 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 11 multiplied 11 multiplied 11.
Sir, answer is
2 into 11. Okay? 22. Okay? Do it fast. Question number first. Fourth part. 27,000. 27,000. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 5s are 10. 0. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 7s are 14. And 2 5s are 10. Okay?
Sir, आपकी voice slow हो रही है.
First of all, we will make the prime factorization of 27,000. Now, 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. That is 0 and 0. Okay? Now, again divided by 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 5s are 10. That is 0. Now again divide by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14 and 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now it is not divisible by 2. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 7 13 plus 5 is 18. So divide by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15. Okay. Now again divide by 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 sevens are 21, 3 fives are 15. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15. Okay. Yes. Now 5. 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25, 5 fives are 25, 5 ones are 5. Yes. Now cube root of yes. Cube root of 27,000. Yes.
सर वो नीचे वाला देखना
Okay. 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 multiplied 5 into 5 into 5. 5 into 5 into 5. Okay.
40 answer.
Sir, answer is
2 into 3 into 5. 6 5 are 30. Okay, do it fast.
done.
Yes, sir.
Listen more fast. 9th part. One lakh 75,616. 1,75,616. Okay. Prime factorization of 1,75,616. 1,75,616 prime factorization of it. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 2 8s are 16. 2 7s are 14.
6.
Yes. 2 8s are 16. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 0. 2 8s are 16.
Sir, your voice is low.
2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. 1 remainder. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 0. 2 8s are 16. Okay. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now. Yes. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 9s are 18. 0. 2 4s are 8. Okay. Now 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 9s are 18. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 9s are 18. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
2 1s are 2. 0. 2 9s are 18. Okay. 2 7s are 14. 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2. 0. 2 9s are 18. 2 7s are 14. 2 6s are 12. Yes. 2 5s are 10. 5.
2 4s are 8.
5. It is 5. Okay. That is 9. That is 5. 5 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 2 1. 2 is a 4. 2 1 is a 2. 2 8 is a 2 9 is a
Sir, and last one is also.
9, 5, 2 है ना? Okay.
Yes, sir.
2 1s are 2, 0. Yes.
Yes.
2 9s are 18.
2 4s are 8.
Yeah, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10 और 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 9s are 18, 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12. Okay? 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. Yes. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Yes. 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12. Yes. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. 7 to 49 and 7 to 7 and 7 1s are 7. 7 1s are 7. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
yes, your root of
Yes, sir.
becomes how many 2? 1 2 3 4 5. How many 2?
Sir, 9 twos.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.
That is scroll down.
How many 7? How many 7?
3.
Two twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 sevens are 56. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Please complete. Okay, please complete exercise 75 to question number fast in homework. All the parts.
Please scroll down.
All the parts.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, please scroll down.
Sir, done.
Whose page is this one?
Right, sir. Sir, activity.
Okay.
Sir, activity